Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Apex to TradingView. The first thing I want you to do is just log into your account. So as you can see right here, we're logged in. And then you come to the top right on Apex, you click on this three dots. And here on Tradingview, what I want you to do is go ahead and scroll down here. You should see add-ons. And then once you go ahead and scroll down, you'll see TradingView. I want you to go ahead and click on Activate. And then you should see right here, TradingView is activated. And then what I want you to do is go back to TradingView. I want you to go ahead and click on this icon at the top right. And I want you to go ahead and click on any stock symbol. So for this example, I'll use Tesla. I'll come here and click on this icon to open up the chart in a new tab. Then here, I'll click on full chart. Then I want you to just go ahead and click on the trading panel. And after that, once you have clicked on the trading panel, you'll see a bunch of different brokers. I want you to scroll down and then click on Show All Brokers. Scroll down again until you see Tradingview. Click on this. And here I want you to enter your username and password that you got from Apex Trading. So since we're using Tradingview as the connection, this is what you'll do. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Guides Archive, and that is how to connect Apex to TradingView.